Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
Alright, so we got a cool little idea for this one.
We got a medium V-neck. You might want to start.
There we go.
Look at there. Nice little spiral fold. We're racing the weather, people. Racing the camera, racing the weather. You know, it wouldn't be a normal day for us if we aren't racing at least two things at once.
Luckily, we don't have the child today.
No, not racing her. Just everything else under the sun.
Not that we don't love our daughter, but she does make things a little bit more difficult.
Unfortunately, not under the sun, but under the clouds. To the dyeing rack.
Let's go. It's got all these little hairs sticking off of them.
You know, just a bit of fluff.
Just a bit.
A bit of fluff. Alrighty. Let's get some color tossed on it. We got Scarlet kicking it off. We're on. We're live.
Okay.
We got some deep orange. Let's ring it orange. Ring it lemon yellow. Lemon yellow. Granny apple green. Granny apple green. We got a little bit of bluebird. Looks like you're gonna have enough for all of them after all. And some lavender. And then I already know what she has planned for the other side, so I guess I'll tell you now. All told, on this one we have Scarlet, deep orange, lemon yellow, granny apple green, bluebird, lavender, and on the reverse, better black. Nice one-sided spiral with black on the reverse. Better black on the reverse. So that's Scarlet, deep orange, lemon yellow, granny apple, bluebird, lavender, and better black.
That's it.
Looky there. To the drying rack. Top shelf for a premium tie-dye, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.